Hey y'all, so it is currently 2:08 a.m. and I am finally working on my last wholesale order for today. Your girl fell asleep, but I decided I wanted to film a quick video because I haven't filmed like a lip scrub wholesale video in forever. So yeah, I hope that y'all enjoy it. I'm not gonna be talking throughout the whole video. I'm just gonna do like the intro and whatnot. So I want to get this done fast, and I notice when I talk the video become long, so I'm not gonna talk. This is going to Chicago, Illinois. Okay, she ordered 10 bubblegum lip scrubs and 10 chocolate, so 20 in total. These are how my lip scrubs look. I decided to like prep all my stuff so that I wouldn't have to, you know, do a lot today, and it actually helped me. So yeah, but yeah, I decided to do this off camera just so that it wouldn't take a lot of time, because y'all can see they're filled to the top, so I had to do a lot of mixing. I'm gonna go ahead and get this done. If you guys have any video suggestions, let me know so I can, you know, if I want to do those videos, I will definitely film them. I need some video ideas. It could honestly be anything. Well, nothing crazy, but you know what I mean. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started.
Someone told me this ain't love. There's no way you get into my heart. Someone told me gotta move on. Keep it together before you fall apart. And there's no reason to be numb, but I can't even fall asleep until the dawn. If there's no love, then there's no lust. Whatever you got, I'm about to give it up. I'm not in love, I'm just pretending. I'm not in love, I'm just forgetting him. I'm not in love, I don't feel anything, don't feel anything. Someone told me, dance it off. Don't you know we're all disposable? It don't matter, break your cuffs. We go on and we will never stop. And there's no reason to be numb, but I can't even fall asleep until the dawn. If there's no love and there's no lust, whatever you got, I'm about to give it up.
So I'm currently packaging up the order, getting it ready to go into the USPS box. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and hit the subscribe button. We are on the road to 10K subscribers. So if you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe and go watch, excuse the background, but yeah, if you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe and support me? I'm trying to get to 10K. Okay, so yeah, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.